I guess, doing something different to the fridge. So, I'm gonna put you guys over here, and then we're gonna start putting some items away. There we go. All right, so we're gonna start with veggies. And yes, my floor is clean because I sweep and mop it every day. We do have a lot of sweet peppers. I don't know why we have so many sweet peppers, but we do. So, I'm going to try to incorporate them on this side. So that gives us room for the hint of cabbage. Hopefully they'll both fit. I don't know. Seem to fit. There's things in here that we're probably gonna have to move around. This card, like the salad, that's done. And this is what he's cooking, I would think. That must be what he's cooking today. Okay. All right. All right, so I would quickly open these, but you see they don't have any moisture in them. It looks like these just came in on the truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to later open these out and lay these out so they can be more dry. Then put them in one of these containers. But for now, we're just going to get them inside. Okay? And we're going to let one of the cats in. All right. And so then we got the tomatoes. I put those up there. We've got the avocado. We've got the breakfast sausage. We're gonna freeze those. Meow. Meow. What's the matter? What are you meowing for, sweet pea? Your brother's outside, if that's what you're meowing to call him. He's outside too. He went outside looking for you. And those are those mixed greens. When he gets that out of there, I'm gonna come back and rearrange this deal here. But for now, this is what we're doing. We're just getting it in because we don't want it to sit out. Cheese usually goes over there, but it's going